kiss me sweet, and we'll go flying high in birdland, high in the sky up above.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mina here. Sorry about the mess on the background, but you can see Maddie's birthday dress that I made on my last video. Go check it out if you haven't watched it. So today I'm going to show you how I made this Lexi's blouse from MiuMiu. To be honest, I never loved any outfits of Lexi's because it's not my personal style, but I really love this blouse, and also I love the character because Lexi is the most lovable and most relatable character in the show. So yes, without further ado, let's get started. First, I line taped the design and started draping to make patterns. And this is the pattern I made. I'm gonna upload this pattern on my blog in a few days, so please subscribe to my channel and also my blog to download this pattern. Now I have two of these. I'm gonna put this inside of these, and then I'm gonna sew them together, but leaving the arm part. So basically I just sew them together except armholes and this neckline part. So I only sew here and here waistline and here. Next, sew lace onto the end of the sleeve using regular stitch. So now we need to sew elastic band. So the end of the sleeve will be around here. So I just grab an elastic band like so and mark it. And mine was around 25 centimeter, and I'm gonna sew this to here. So this is the inside of the sleeve. I already overlock here, so this will go from here to here. So I'm just gonna pin the middle part first, pin the rest of the ends. So here is the connected part, and the elastic band will go right next to, I'm gonna use normal stitch, and I'm going to sew right here, very close to the end. And after that, I'm going to cover this elastic band with overlock excess fabric, and then we're going to sew at the end of the overlock fabric so we can cover the entire band. Stretch the elastic band, and now it'll look like this. So I only sew this line, and now I'm going to cover this elastic band with this overlocked excess fabric. So it's easier to cover the band while you're stretching the elastic band. I'm gonna pin this side first, and then I'm gonna sew the end of this excess fabric like so. And then I'm gonna do basting stitch around armhole line so I can gather to make a puff. So now I'm gonna gather the lace. So I'm using this setting. I'm just do the normal stitch and just pull a one thread to gather the lace by hand. So after I sew sleeves, I pinned the gathered lace around the neck. I think I used 3.5 yards to make just for this. So as you can see, this is the part where it goes like the inside of the blouse. I'm going to sew right around the neckline. Okay, now I just finished sewing ruffle around the neckline. Now I need to connect this inner fabric to the outer one. So I'm gonna flip this inside out and connect the neckline. And then I can flip this inside out from this armhole that I didn't sew. Next, I'm gonna connect these armholes. So I'm just gonna pin this all around and sew and overlock it and cut the excess fabric. Then I'm gonna top stitch right here. So I already done the left arm, so it'll look like this. So top stitch the overlocked excess fabric like so, so this part won't flap around. After that, I can top stitch all around the neckline right here, then add buttons, then we're finally done.
And the sky up above, I and the sky up above, I and the sky up above.